Hello doctors and parents, this is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome to all in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about the NEET PG 23 latest update, as well as we're going to discuss about the States Counseling update at exactly when your NEET PG 23 States Counseling gonna happen, how many states are there, which are the open states, which are closed, in which all states you can apply, what's the security fees, and up to till date today, that is 26th of July 2023, how many states have already started their registration, as well as how many states have already closed their registration, and about in what days your other states gonna start, and what can be the expected fee states in the multiple of the states on the comparison with the NEET UG 2023 with the updates. So before that, if you're new on this channel, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, as well as you can join our Telegram channel Admission Media, because whatever the latest update as well as the PDF of counseling and everything, we are continuously sharing there. So if you haven't joined it, then do join it. As well as you can follow us on our Instagram, Admission Media. The page name is Instagram. You can follow us there also. So let's begin. I have already cleared all the rules and regulation about your NEET PG 23. All India NEET PG 23. In the earlier video, we have already discussed about your All India expected, 50% All India expected cutoff for each branch with the each category. And in the other video, we have already discussed about your NEET PG 23 seat increment on the behalf of the government data. So if you haven't watched it, do watch it. The video is on this where you can touch here and you will get the link of the videos and you can watch it. As well as from tomorrow onwards, that is 27th of July, your NEET PG, All India NEET PG 2023 counseling is going to start for all 50% All India, DNB, NB Diploma, as well as your deemed universities. In the multiple of the deemed universities, fees has been increased gradually. So if you filling those options, do check your fee structure and everything, then apply for it, because this year rules and regulation is totally different. If you got any kind of allotment, you will be ineligible for the straight round, as well as if you got allotment, your security amount will be forfeited at the multiple other states. The complete video of rules and regulation is already published. So if you haven't watched it, do watch it. Now if I talk about the states of India, till now, the Punjab registration is already over. Jammu and Kashmir again registration over. Tamil Nadu registration again, it's an open state for B category seats. It was around 17th of July, again over. Pondicherry over. Gujarat already finished. It's a closed state only for the domicile candidates. So those people who has to apply, their registration has been done. Sikkim, Manipal finished. Kerala registration again finished. Telangana registration is up to 17th of July. It's also finished. But Telangana, there is the only component authority, means only for A category seats the registration has been opened. But for the B category, that is the management seat, it has not been opened yet. As well as if I talk about the Karnataka has published the notification today itself. Their registration will be starting from today onwards. So you can apply in the Karnataka also. If I talk about the security deposit and the security deposit, then we're going to discuss about the other things. If I talk about MCC 2 lakh, Bihar 2 lakh, Chhattisgarh 2 lakh, Gujarat not applicable because it's again closed state, Haryana 2 lakh, Himachal 5 lakh, Karnataka they will be taking our original documents, Kerala not applicable, Uttarakhand 2 lakh, West Bengal 2 lakh, MP 2 lakh, Maharashtra 1 lakh, I'm talking about NEET PG, Odisha again closed state, Pondicherry 2 lakh, Punjab 2 lakh, Rajasthan 2 lakh, Sikkim again you can't apply, only there was one university, that is Sikkim Manipal, for that you can apply. Tamil Nadu again 2 lakh, and Telangana and Telangana not applicable, because in Telangana also they don't charge any security amount. You can just apply for the BCAT seats with the some documents and everything. And UP again 2 lakh. Now if I talk about the Andhra and Telangana, there is a separate counseling for BCAT seats. So you can apply for only those seats if you are non-domicile of Andhra and Telangana also. While the same thing happened in Tamil Nadu as well as Karnataka. But if I talk about the fee structure, as we have seen in the NEET UG 2023, the latest fee structure has been released from Tamil Nadu. Kerala, they have, the Karnataka, they haven't mentioned anything. Andhra, they have released. UP, again silent, they haven't mentioned anything. So apart on the basis of that, if we calculate the NEET PG point, then in this NEET PG session, all the states as well as all the medical colleges of India is increasing their fees, and the increment in NEET UG has been seen from 1 lakh to 5 lakh up to. From 1 lakh to 5 lakh, the increment has been seen. If I talk about Andhra, they have increased their fees from 12 lakh 50,000 to approximately 13 lakh 20,000, while for the management, NRI seat, it's the 3 times. So almost 1 lakh fees has been increased in Andhra. Same thing happened in Tamil Nadu. Around 5 lakh has been increased in Pondicherry. So if we look into the data, till now they haven't mentioned anything for UP. Karnataka again silent. They have opened their registration, but they haven't informed that what can be the expected fee structure and everything. If I talk about UP, in UP it is expected, the colleges are demanding up to 30% increment of fees, but government is negotiating it, and somewhere we are expecting that in between 10 to 30% of fees increment will be seen in UP. Same thing goes with Karnataka, because in Karnataka there is already a new government, and the challenge is that their reservation policy and everything they have to change, and there is a policy for that. They are already making the increment and everything, but till now officially they haven't mentioned anything. So if you're looking for a confirmed seat in the Karnataka, then the registration is already open. You can apply for it. There is no security amount, but your original document need to be verified, and you have to wait into there also. How to proceed for it? And now if I talk about the big question is there. Now the stray round is online. So how the lower rank people gonna get the higher clinical branches? I know officially I am saying, if you're looking for a confirmed seat in NEET PG 23, then either you will be having two options. Either आप college choose कर सकते हो और आप budget choose कर सकते हो. Means if you having a college preference, then you have to be flexible with your branch. And if you having a branch preference like आपको radio ही चाहिए, then you have to be flexible with your college options. Because if you fix with a branch like मुझे रेडियो ही चाहिए, फॉर एग्जांपल रेडियो ही चाहिए और DY पाटिल नवी मुंबई चाहिए या DY पाटिल पूना चाहिए या XYZ कोई एक पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज चाहिए, बिलीव मी, नो सीट ब्लॉकिंग इज देयर, नो सीट बुकिंग इज देयर. Multiple of the colleges and the multiple of the candidates are connecting with us every day with the same query, sir अब सीट कैसे मिलेगा, चीज़ें कैसी होंगी. Believe me, in the earlier video, yesterday, the day before yesterday, we have already published the video. Even in that video, we have said, and till now we are also saying the same thing. You have to be flexible with either with your branch or with your college. And if you are flexible in these two conditions, 100% we gonna do your seat in the management quota as well as NRI quota. How to proceed for it, how to get a seat. These all details will be shared in our paid and premium counseling services. So if you are eligible or if you are on the lower rank, if you're looking for a higher clinical branches, even if you will be eligible after this revised cutoff, no need to panic at all. The things and system has been changed, but the process will be in different way, but it doesn't mean that if you having a branch preference that you can't get it. But if you having a branch and college both preference, then it will be difficult to do. We will try our level best. Hopefully, if it's in your luck, we will get it also. But if you fix with your branch, flexible with your college, we can do it. If you are fixed with college and flexible with your branch, 100% we can do it. You have to be just flexible with one condition, either with your branch or with your college situation. And believe me, Team Admission Media is more than experienced in these fields. We are having a team of 20 plus year experience in the same field. So we know how to proceed for a counseling, whether it's online, offline, doesn't matter. All the states it is expected to do the counseling online itself. So even if your counseling is going to be happening online, in the stray round also, still we are promising, if you are proceeding with us, we can get you the seat. 110% sure how to proceed for it, how to get a lower clinical or higher clinical at the low rank, or even after the revised cutoff eligibility. How to proceed for all this, you can contact me on the given number below. This is it in this video. Do watch our earlier videos for more updates and everything. Do join our channel Telegram Admission Media. If you have any other query or if you have any information, you can contact me on the given number below. As well as your NEET PG 23 registration is going to be start from tomorrow. We have already published a demo video on it, how to do your registration, what are the documents required. The link is in description. You can watch that video also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.